I have spent the last 7 years building a marketing agency that works exclusively with law firms. Over 50 people on our team know hundreds of the attorneys we have worked with, solo practices, mid-sized firms, AMLA 100 firms, and here's what I keep seeing. Most law firms fail at digital marketing not because they are the bad liars, not because they do not work hard. They fail because the entire marketing industry has been selling them the wrong things for the last 10 years. In this video, I am going to walk through the 5 most common reasons law firms fail at digital marketing based on what I see across the firms. By the end, you will know exactly what most agencies will not tell you and what to actually focus on if you want your firms to grow. Let's get into that. The reason number one, law firms hire journalist marketing agencies and expect specialist result. Here is the pattern I see all the times. A managing partner gets a pitch from the marketing agency. The agency has worked with a restaurant, e-commerce stores, dental practices, maybe a few law firms. They show some impressive logos. The pricing looks reasonable. The firm signs. 6 months later, nothing has happened. The firm fires the agency. Tries another one. Same results. The problem is that not the agency is bad. The problem is that the legal marketing has its own discipline. The keywords that bring cases are different from the one keywords that bring restaurant reservations. The compliance rules around the attorney advertising do not exist for e-commerce. The way clients search for the divorce lawyers at midnight is nothing like how they shop for the sofa. When I started Law Lifters, this was the entire reason. Some firms paying journalist agencies and getting nothing back, so we built something that only works with law firms. No restaurant, no retail, nothing else. If you take one thing from this video, take this. The agency you choose has to specialize in legal. Anything else is just a coin flip. The reason number two, the firm gets sold on vanity metrics that do not bring in cases. When our team takes over campaigns from the previous agencies, we see the same dashboard problem over and over. The firm is shown ranking, they are shown traffic, they are shown impressions, click-through rates, follower counts. What they are not shown is signed cases, or qualified consultation, or revenue from the organic searches. Here is the truth. A law firm can rank number one for the 50 keywords and still go out of the business. Rankings are not cases, traffic is not revenue. The only metric that actually matters is whether the marketing is putting signed clients in front of your attorneys. The best marketing dashboard I have ever seen I had with leads with three numbers. Leads from the organic searches this month, signed cases from the organic searches this month, Casper signed cases. Everything else is a sporting index. If your current marketing report does not show these three things, you are working with the wrong people. The reason number three, the law firm quit SEO before it has chance to work. SEO takes time. I'm not going to sugarcoat that. Most of the firms our team works with start seeing meaningful traffic in month 4 to 6. Real lead flow usually shown up between month 6 and 12, compounding result where the SEO is generally paying for itself many times over. That takes a year and a half, sometime two. A lot of the firms cannot wait that long. They sign up for the SEO, see no leads in month 2 and assume it is broken. So they cancel. They try paid ads, get burned again, come back to SEO, cancel again. This is the single biggest mistake I see in the legal marketing. SEO is not a campaign, it is an asset. The work you do in a month 1 keeps producing leads in a month 12, month 24, month 36. The page you publish today can still be ranking and bringing cases 3 years from now on without spending another dollar on it. Compare that to the paid ads. The moment you stop paying, the leads stop. There is no asset, there is no compounding. The firms that win a digital marketing treats SEO as a long-term investment, not as a quarterly expense. They commit for at least 12 months before they judge whether it is working. The ones that quit at the month 3 are the ones who keep restarting from the zero year after year. The reason number four, firms drive traffic to the website that cannot convert. This one is the painful because it is the easiest to fix. Our team audits dozens of the law firm website every month. The pattern is almost universal. The website looks professional, maybe it costs $10 or $15,000 to build. It has a beautiful homepage, it has a practice area pages, it has a stock photo of the courthouse, and it does not convert visitor into calls. The phone number is buried in the header. The contact form has a 14 fields. The page takes 7 seconds to load on the mobile. There is no clear next step in a visitor in distress at 11 p.m. trying to figure out what to do. A firm can spend 5,000 a month on SEO or PPC and lose 80% of their potential client at the website level. The traffic is fine, the conversion is broken, and nobody is talking about it because conversion is harder to sell than the rankings. The fix is not complicated. Phone number top right of the every page, click to call on the mobile. Forms with 3 or 4 fields, not the 14 page load under 3 seconds. A clear prominent city on every page. Real intake process behind the form. Get the website right, and the same marketing budget produces double or triple the cases. I have seen it happen across dozens of our clients. And the reason number five, firms try to do everything at once. I get this question all the time from the new clients. Should we do SEO, PPC, social media content, and email and YouTube? Yes, eventually. No, not at the same time, not when you are starting out. Most law firms have a fixed marketing budget. Spending that budget across 6 channels gives you mediocre results in all six. Concentrating it on the right one or two channels for your specific firm and practice area produces real results that compound. For most law firms, the right starting point is local SEO plus PPC. Local SEO gets you visible in the map pack and the on page 1 for high intent local searches. PPC fills the gap while SEO is building. Together, they cover the moment the potential client searches for help. Once that is producing cases consistently, then you layer on the content marketing, social media, email nurture, video, not before. The firms that try to do everything at once usually end up doing nothing well. The firms that focus on one or two channels until they are working, these are the ones that grow. So those are the five biggest reasons I see law firms fail at digital marketing: hiring journalists, chasing vanity metrics, quitting SEO too early, ignoring conversions, and trying to do everything. None of these are the law firm's fault entirely. The marketing industry has been selling firms the wrong things for years, promising fast results, hiding behind dashboards, locking clients into long contracts. The firms that succeed are the ones who learn to spot these and make different choices. If you are the attorney watching this and any of what I described sounds familiar, your last agency under-delivered, your website is not converting, you cancel SEO too early, you are spreading yourself in thin across too many channels, and you are not alone. This is a pattern across the entire industry. The good news is every one of these problems is fixable. At Law Lifters, this is what our team does every day. We only work with law firms. We focus on the signed cases instead of vanity metrics. We tell client honestly when results will and will not show up. And we do not lock anyone into long contracts because we do not need to. If you want to talk about how this applies to your specific firm, the link to book a free strategy call is in the description below. No pressure, no pitch, just a real conversation about what is and is not working in your marketing. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, hit subscribe. We put out new videos every week breaking down what actually works in legal marketing. See you in the next one.